Hi, amazing community. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment. Let's dive in. Get ready to torch some calories with this 20-minute full-body HIIT workout, no equipment needed. We're diving straight into high-intensity intervals that will get your heart racing and your body sweating. Start with 40 seconds of jumping jacks to warm up those muscles. Then we'll hit the ground for some push-ups to build strength in your chest and arms. Next, we'll switch it up with squat jumps to fire up those legs and glutes. Don't forget to engage your core with mountain climbers. Feel that burn. We'll keep the pace up with burpees, a killer move that combines strength and cardio. As we move through each exercise, remember to focus on your form. It's all about quality over quantity. You'll have 20 seconds to catch your breath between sets, but trust me, you'll want to keep pushing through. This workout is designed to boost your metabolism and maximize fat burning, so let's crush it together. Keep that energy high and let's finish strong.